In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Next, search for WooPayments or Stripe Payment Gateway for WooCommerce, depending on which payment solution you want to use. Install and activate the plugin. After that, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. Find Stripe or WooPayments in the list and click Finish Setup or Manage. Now click Connect and sign into your Stripe account. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Stripe and your WooCommerce store. Next, return to the payment settings and enable the payment methods you want to offer, such as credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Save your changes when you're finished. Finally, place a test order on your store to make sure Stripe is connected correctly and customers can complete payments without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.